What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. So I'm about to show y'all a year's worth of work. Yeah, that's it. I ain't go to college. Instead, I decided to follow my dreams. So that's what I've been doing. And we've been expanding so much that we actually in the process of moving. So I should have been did an apartment tour, but now it's I'm trying to do it right before it's too late. Cause soon we're not gonna be living in an apartment. But, oh, you can't get away from me, girl. To start the apartment tour off, here's my common snapping turtle. And this girl is a beast. She's 30 years old. She can stretch her neck back to like right here, and she won't bite me. As long as I don't put my fingers in her face. Most snapping turtles will bite you. Put your fingers right here. But man, this is one of my favorites. And soon she'll be in a giant pond outdoors. Mm-hmm. And then right over here, oh man, all this stuff we packing. This is the living room. Hold on. Whole lot of space in this bitch. Oh shit. I ain't stretch. I could do a handstand for 20 minutes. It's a whole lot of space in this bitch though. We got it like kind of sectioned off, especially since we got the emus now. But we ain't gonna show y'all all of that yet. Under the TV. So the TV, this bitch fucked up. I was like this. Oh no, I think the nail's right here. And I did this, boom, and put a damn thing in my roommate's TV. And I'm not buying him a new one. So Kion, if you're watching this, fuck you. I told him I was gonna buy him a new one, but it still work, y'all. So when we get rich, we'll buy a new one for him.
Well, think about it.
And here's the Savannah monitor enclosure. I already cut off some of the animals' lights, so we'll leave them alone. Probably only 1 or 2 of those in there anyways. And then in here is my, probably my favorite, if not my second favorite enclosure. We got a male and a female redfoot tortoise. And this is in here because I gotta take all of this substrate out. The deepest part is probably right here, yeah. Look at how deep this is, y'all. They got a lot of substrate. I'm gonna take all this out starting tonight because Denise is probably gonna go to sleep, but I'm not that tired. Yeah, this is the redfoot tortoise enclosure. I gave them a whole corner in my living room. It's kind of crazy if you ask some people, but to me, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this is the male and the female, so hopefully when we get down south and they get outside in better conditions, they'll be able to make babies and lay eggs. Here's a 55-gallon tank with 2 radial sliders we got. I don't know what this is, but yeah, so their light blew out today. And their whole bulb blew out, so I just put this right here, and we're gonna get 2 lights for them. Even though they'll be in the pond with the big turtles, well not big turtles, with the turtles that are in the big tank, we're gonna build them all a pond. And yeah, they will love that. Ooh. And this is my favorite turtle in the house besides the common snapper. What's her name? Gracious, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this one is Gracious and the male is Goodness. And she's huge. I love this big black shell. She's pretty cool. She's very head shy, but oh shit, look at that, y'all. He just tries to bite us or ducking. But yeah, you can tell why I like the shell. It's big and black. Like my dick. And then, if that's not my favorite enclosure, this definitely is, just because these 3 used to be just like this, and these were all storage. And so, me and Anissa are probably gonna expand this, and they won't be in here. We'll probably keep a smaller lizard in here. But yeah, here are the black and white Tegus. Here's the female. Oh, Stanley, what the hell? You're too bold, bro. Here's the female, and here's the male. And these guys are my babies. Stanley's actually bigger than the Tegus now. When we first got him, they could have split him in half. So these guys are huge. When we got them, they were both like this big when we first moved in last year. So it's pretty cool. And since my buddy here wants to steal the show, here's our Australian emu, Stanley. And we only planned on getting Stanley, but the guy gave us big old stanky leg over there with him. Come here. So here's Stanley. He's gotten way bigger. Okay, we'll put you down. He's gotten way bigger since we first got him. And man, here, Stanley. Stanley.
He got smarter.
Yeah, Stanley's pretty cool. Stanky Leg is the one who doesn't trust us. And sadly, if we go over here to Stanky Leg's big self. What's up, big dude? Stanky Leg has to be put down. So we try not to bother him that much. We're moving next week. So we're not gonna stress him out until we put him down. Ain't that sad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, here's my favorite. Everything's my favorite that's big. My reticulated python. For all the morph people, this is a Sunfire Tiger het albino reticulated python. And so there's a lot of morphs in it, but I just bought him because he was supposedly an aggressive male, and I'd never had an aggressive snake before. But he turned out to be pretty calm. Y'all know I can pretty much pick him up whenever I want to, but I'm not going to because of little Stanley right here. And then we got an empty enclosure over here. R.I.P. to Pedro. And here we got the babies. I love these things. They got some spinach in there. But these are my albino green iguanas. And it's shedding right now. This is the female, yeah. This is the female. They're shedding right now. And man, these are beautiful. Like, I don't know. There's just something about them, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And we could go over here to these thingies Anissa has. So here's Honey and Ruby, and there are bearded dragons. And I'm only gonna take these things out because people love bearded dragons. I don't know why. Maybe because, yeah, I don't know. They're boring and small, but I guess they're pretty cool. All the spikes, they come in different colors. And yeah, we got these as rescues along with this one. So I have plans to put them all together in an enclosure about half the size of the living room. And yeah, so it'll be pretty cool as soon as we get down there. These two came in this enclosure and it was never cleaned. The lady had them for 5 years because her grandson didn't want them. They had poop in the cage, roaches. It was nasty. So yeah. I don't know, people are crazy. Down here, we got my boy. Oh, don't bite me, Chopper. Damn, Chopper got huge, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so if y'all remember Chopper when we first got him, he was literally like this big. And Chopper is a common snapping turtle, so he's a male. And the one we have over there is a female. And Chopper's getting huge. Look at how far back his head can push. That's how far back the female, the big one, can push, and she doesn't bite us, so that's pretty cool. And Chopper doesn't bite either. Don't bite Chopper. Don't bite him. Ah, see. You crazy boy. Okay. Let's go in the kitchen. Y'all hear Milo crying.
Because he sees his mom.
And we got a bunch of stuff here. This is all stuff we're packing up. Anissa is gonna be doing, so basically I'm gonna get her a shipping container. And so we don't have to go to the store. She'll just stock up on everything. We just go in the shipping container and get it.
You explained that way better than I did.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And excuse everything. I wouldn't even done this like this. I'm a professional plant grower. But we're moving so soon, it didn't make sense to do the cups. But now that I germinated more seeds, we gotta do the cups anyways. So I got 16 plants in here. That's That's all I'm gonna say. They're pretty cool. I didn't think this would work. I was just trying something new. Just put the seeds in here. And yeah, it's doing pretty good. I got this soil from outside, so I needed to keep this covered. Yeah, that's pretty much it. In here, y'all know Cuddles, the carpet python. She's in her hide back there. You won't be able to see. Let me see. Yeah, she's back there in her hide box. And then over here is the boa constrictor who just ate a few nights ago. We could show you her. Cause y'all done seen Cuddles so much. And she's shedding again, it looks like. She's pretty cool though. She always has eaten for us. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick.
Okay.
I ain't using the bathroom. Alright, so this is like my little secret room. It's not a secret. It's right outside the bathroom, but I do keep it locked. And so the landlord came one day to fix the shower, and he saw these and he didn't like it. I installed my own lights because if you see here, this shit don't work. And he didn't like that, but fuck you, Mr. Toy. Right here we have Monster, the rhinoceros iguana. I've had Monster for a few years. What's up, girl? You just want some attention. You chunky girl, I know. So this is the rhinoceros iguana Monster, and we're actually getting a male really soon, like next week soon. But yeah, Monster is really cool, really cool.
She still got this fish.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick Bubba up. And we put Monster back. I can't wait to upgrade her to a big old cage in the greenhouse real soon. It stays pretty hot back here.
Yeah, it's hot as fuck back
Yeah,
here.
Chico, look, under there. Y'all know, oh, look at that dookie. We have a red Tegu that free roams this room. And here's my alligator Bubba. So I'm just gonna pick her up. Oh. Why you gotta act like that? Now, Bubba usually just lets me scoop her under and pick her up. But it's probably because she thinks I might be taking her food. We fed her a fish that this guy gave us that died. And, I thought Chico was coming after me. Bubba is a pretty calm gator, as you can see. Look at how big her tail is gotten. Man, I love this gator. Like, literally. Freaking love this thing. You don't bite me when you got a fish in your mouth. You can't. And yeah, I love Bubba. Can't wait for her to get huge. Pretty soon she'll be outside. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was not even a year's of hard work. Like, we just really started in December after we got the big snake. So appreciate everybody that be watching and fucking with the videos, fucking with me for me, and none of that other shit. Let me take the camera. Took this shit from my ass. I don't even know how this shit look. But thank y'all for watching. And I love y'all.
Don't snatch, bitch.